Welcome to CodeChef. Today, we are going to learn how to insert a node at any position in a doubly linked list. Let's take an example of a doubly linked list with the values 10, 20, 30, and 40. In a doubly linked list, each node has two pointers, one pointing to the next node and another pointing to the previous node. Now, let's move on to the code that implements this insertion process. Let's go through the code step by step. The first part checks if we are inserting at the beginning of the list. If index is 0, the new node's next pointer is set to the head, and if the head exists, its previous pointer is updated. Finally, the new node becomes the new head. If we are inserting at any other position, we traverse the list to reach the node just before the desired position. Once we find the correct position, we adjust the pointers of the existing nodes and insert the new node. This completes the insertion process, and the new node is now part of the doubly linked list. That's how insertion at any position works in a doubly linked list. We hope this explanation was helpful. Stay tuned for more such lessons on CodeChef. Happy coding!